Yeah. Yeah.
Missing someone.
Hello guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make fish, and we're going to start with the fish curry recipe. The ingredients are as you can see, we already have our onion and oil. They have been simmering for a while, so now we are going to add in garlic. Reason being, garlic cooks faster than onion, so you need to add them after the onions have simmered a little bit. We're going to let that get to golden brown, and then we are going to add in our tomato. So I mashed my tomato. You can blend it, you can just cut it however you prefer it. So I mashed my 1 tomato, and after the onions have browned, I'm going to put in my tomatoes. Cover it and let it simmer for like 2 minutes. As it simmers, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. So in a cup, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add more depending on how much pepper you like. We are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. All these ingredients depends on the size of the fish. My fish is small, so that's why. And then I'm going to also add a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and then 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, because cumin tastes really good in fish. I'm now going to add in a little bit of water. Then I'm going to squeeze in at least 1/2 teaspoon of lemon into the cup. Now I think our tomatoes are ready, so I'm just going to pour all the ingredients in the cup there. I'm now going to stir it, add in water, and then I'm going to put in my Royco cube. Remember, Royco cube has some salt, so you need to put in your Royco cube first. Let them simmer. Taste. If the salt is not enough, you're going to add in some salt. Otherwise, if you put Royco cube and salt together without tasting, you're going to have a very salty dish. Look at that. Look at how that fish looks. I'm telling you, this fish was delicious. The black pepper, the garlic, the lemon, the garam masala, the cumin, the way they came together in unity just to bless my taste buds. I'm telling you, this was delicious. Very, very delicious. Number 2, I'm going to make the classic Kenyan fish stew recipe. This one, if you don't like a lot of spices, this one is going to be good for you. It is simple, it is delicious and easy to make. So the ingredients are 1 large tomato because it's only one fish, 1 coriander, 1 large onion, Royco cube, and garlic. In a frying pan, put in the onions and add in a little oil. Wait for the onions to cook a little bit before adding your garlic, because you know garlic gets brown faster than the onions. Then just wait for both of them to be golden brown, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So now we are going to add in the tomatoes and then later some coriander. Cover it, let it simmer for a few minutes. I'm now going to add in my Royco cube. So now we are ready to add in some water. We waited for all the ingredients to simmer for around 5 minutes. And remember, we are adding in some water, not an entire river, not an entire dam. You're just putting in enough to serve your stew and still maintain the taste of the fish. Add in some salt and then put in your fish. Cover it, let it simmer for a few minutes. Now we are almost ready to plate. Total cook time was 25 minutes. See, not time consuming, but very easy, simple. Anyone can do this. So I'm going to serve this with ugali and mboga ya kienyeji. The third and the final way I'm going to show you how to make fish is the pan-fried marinated fish recipe. So the ingredients are in a cup. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin, and then finally we are going to put half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm then going to add water into the ingredients, stir that, and now we are ready to marinate the fish. I'm going to pour that on top of the fish, and then I'm going to go with my hand just to make sure that it has gone in the fish. Okay, especially in the gills, I'm going to make sure that that part is very well marinated. Inside the fish too, I want to make sure that it's very well marinated so that it tastes good. Now it's time to add in our mashed garlic and ginger inside the fish. So I'm going to do it strategically. I'm going to put it in the lines that you're seeing over there, inside the gills, and on the side inside the fish. All done. Now I'm going to cover it and let it marinate between 2 to 4 hours. Right now it's 6 p.m. so I'm going to let it marinate for 2 hours from 6 to 8, and then we're going to pan fry it. Time to pan fry them and enjoy our fish. You can go further and decide to turn it into stew. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it with another great recipe, but for now let's first pan fry these ones. So in a pan, as you can see, we have put in oil and let it become hot. Make sure the oil is hot before you put in your fish, otherwise you're going to have soggy fish. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.